Maria, Maria, she remind me of a West Side Story.
Hey guys, so we came here to the Temple Lights. There it is over there. We're gonna go walk over there. Let's go. Alrighty, Freddy's. I had to leave my baby at home, of course, because it's freezing. You see? It's freezing, so nobody has time for her to come here and freeze her little booty off, so yeah. And these two are crying back there. Say hello. Hi to all my YouTubers up there. So cute, you're alright. And then there's Griff. Say hello, babe.
What's up?
What's up? Okay, let's go. They're creeping me out, these girls.
We're walking, let's go.
They're literally creeping me out. Oh my gosh. And I just brought a little warm sweater because I lost my coat. Guys, I love the lights. And it's freezing. We're just freezing our butts off. No biggie. This would be a good picture.
Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. Ooh, perfect. Slay, girl. Ooh. Yeah. Come get your girl. She got.
Hey, beautiful. Whoa, buddy. Got something personal with the camera. If this light hurries up, there's like a shiz ton of people trying to cross. Okay.
Guys, we're gonna get lost. Everybody hold hands. Yeah, everybody hold hands.
Let's hold freezing hands, babe. Oh, thank you. Keeping my hand warm while my other one gets frostbite. Beautiful lights. This is the first time I ever come. Being in Utah and living in Utah almost my whole life, this is actually the first time I come here to the Temple Lights. So far I'm impressed. I love it. So beautiful. One of the reasons why I freaking love Christmas, because of all these lights. It's beautiful. Looks amazing. I know. Drop a move. Go. Drop a move.
I feel like my hat looks like a candy.
Like a candy cane?
Yeah.
Candy cane. It's freezing, but it's not that cold anymore. Is it just me? Oh, 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 get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Oh, mira, eso es un coso para sacar una foto.
Oh, it's so cool. We should go. They're doing a line right there to take a picture, because that's the perfect view from the temple. But it's getting super cold and we're hungry, so I think we're just gonna leave. Huh, babe? So I'll catch you guys at the restaurant or wherever we're gonna eat, because it's freezing and I wanna put my hands away, so be back. It's a wedding in there, that's why. Vlog the wedding.
¿Oíste la película de Wedding Crashers?
Being a creep. Being a creep in there and like, hello.
Así, pongamos cara de que nos pasen una...
Let us go in, un plato.
Creo que es.
En un wedding.
Así.
And you... Let's go dance in there, warm up. We're such creeps. We're like...
salir una boda acá. Ah, agarrate, Catalina, que vamos a cabalgar,
Are you recording them?
I know, like... Being a creep. Oh, there's a Santa Claus. Let's go check it out. Woo!
You shouldn't film him last time. He didn't let us.
Well, too bad for him. You don't let anyone film, I guess. I ain't leaving you a tip then.
Huh?
They're talking to the camera, babe. I'm not crazy. Don't listen. Okay, we're in downtown. We're trying to find a place to eat that's close here to here, but we can't find any. So, oh, snap! Santa talks in Spanish. He's gonna get pissed if I film him, but that's too bad.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero años y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
No siento mis manos. Vámonos a comer. City Creek Mall, y'all. Oh, another singer or artist. Get it. I love Salt Lake being like this. It's never, whoa, what is that? That is so much candy. I'm already getting diabetes just looking at that. That is crazy. You see that candy? ¿Viste como tocan ahora afuera? Qué lindo.
Antes, si nunca me venía por acá.
Bueno. Bueno. Don't diss me on camera. Calm down. I don't want to get roasted on my own vlog. Shit, I can't feel my hands. Sure que sé. Oh, it makes these. Tomemos el tren a un lugar, no sé.
It looks like we're in Cali.
Right? Because it's like, ooh, music and like Vegas, all that. There was a sign up there. We're all looking for the food court, but because they get a sign right there the whole time.
Food court.
Somewhere. I don't know.
Very smart.
So we're just here window shopping since everything is closed. This is a City Creek Mall, you guys. It's a little warmer in here because indoors. We could have brought Maggie here.
No.
It's not literally outside. I think they open all the windows in the summertime, but I have no idea. Oh, look at fish. Hey.
Está que fuimos, que sale y después hay otro que está un poquito más por acá.
Fishy. Feel bad for those fish freezing their ass off. Yes, I want to go to the Cheesecake Factory. And we're going to the Cheesecake Factory. Yes. I don't even know if I could see myself, so let me put the little screen up. Oh, there we go. Thumbs up for the Cheesecake Factory. Yes. There we are. Oh, you fancy, huh? I haven't been to the Cheesecake Factory in forever. What?
I've never been to the Cheesecake Factory.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Guys, thumbs down for Joss. Cheesecake Factory is so bomb and they have cheesecakes, of course. Cheesecake Factoria. Vámonos. Ooh, the mall's so pretty. All right, let's go. It's open till 11, perfect. Go on in. Oh, thank you.
First.
Let's check, let's ask. All the bomb cheesecake that they have here. Yep. Better believe I'm gonna be grabbing cheesecake. My mom, we finally got seated, so we're gonna order.
Was mini
order.
Did you say mini corn dog?
Shrimp with angel hair right here.
Yeah, really good.
Okay, no.
Sounds delicious.
The chicken nuggets sound good. The chicken nuggets sound good too.
Good?
And of course I'm gonna order a cheesecake. Duh. So yeah.
And I'm like, I hope it smells good. I want to eat
What'd you get?
pizza style chicken. Garlic parmesan, huh?
What'd you get?
I got pasta with shrimp and sausage.
Looks bomb.
Guess what I got? Nothing.
Depressed.
Sad day for Maya over there.
Pasta. I'll set it down for you.
Thank you.
Your chicken strips are fries.
Thank you.
You got it?
Yeah.
Now, did you get what you wanted to eat?
Finally.
Maya finally got her food.
I got chicken strips noodles.
Oh, damn, that shrimp is spicy.
Ay, que tímida que sos.
Beautiful silver with like this paper and french fries inside.
Maya, let me have a little
Oh, she extra. She has to explain. And this is what I got. I got the
You wanna
chicken.
dip in?
I mean shrimp something. Forgot bistro or something.
If you try some of mine, I get to try some of yours.
With some raspberry lemonade.
Spicy, okay, never mind. You wanna try chicken tenders?
And I'll be right back with water for you. And some steak knives.
Oh, his looks bomb. So bomb.
Is that the one that you
I even got french fries. I got ketchup.
She got ketchup too.
Oh my god.
Bon appetit. We're gonna eat now, guys. So.
Here's the steak knife.
But it shocked me at how spicy it was. For a little shrimp.
Okay, guys, I finished all my food. There's an expensive plate and grip in here. It's gonna kill me. I almost like the freaking pipe clean too, so yay for me, thumbs up. These ladies still have their plates full. I would bring anyone, challenge me to a food competition, and I will murder you. Okay? Come on, I challenge you. Challenge accepted if you comment below.
Oh, if it gets to maybe like a lot of likes, I'll tell you.
If you get 200 likes, we should all do a food competition.
Yeah.
We get 100 likes, 100 thumbs up, food challenge tomorrow.
Guys,
Let us know.
please, I will. If you guys subscribe to my mother's channel, I'll do a gummy versus real food challenge.
Let's get it to 100 likes.
Yeah, 100 likes.
100, and we all do eat a food competition tomorrow.
Vote on who you think will win.
They have to be on team. Say the names.
So it's gonna be Nani,
Yay!
Maya, Jocelyn, aka Shimmer and Shine, and Meliboo. Meliboo Rum.
Wait, so it's
Bye guys. Bruh, it's like zombie apocalypse out here. There's like not a single soul out here, just us.
Can we get out of here?
Not a
Those mannequins.
and except the mannequins in that car, of course.
Oh.